Ever wondered how 3D characters come to life? Welcome to the world of skeletal animation magic, where invisible bones make digital dreams move with style. Think of rigs as the skeletons under the skin, joints, deformers, and motion-packed frames that turn lifeless models into smooth, expressive performers. It's like giving your character an internal dance team. Picture this: a shark doing ballet, a robot moonwalking, or a parrot busting out a pirouette, all possible because of expert rigging. From prowling panthers to tap-dancing raccoons, rigs bring dynamic motion to the 3D stage. Whether you're just starting out or aiming to level up, master rigging with easy-to-follow guidebooks, tutorials, and pro-level tools designed for aspiring animation wizards. Dive into industry-standard software like Blender, Maya, and Unreal Engine, and explore a rigging playground full of limitless possibilities. Build rigs that respond with lifelike motion, no matter the character or genre. Facial rigs? Oh yeah, think of them as emoji factories that power every smirk, eyebrow raise, and epic scream your character delivers. Emotions in 3D have never felt so real. Whether you're a game developer, animator, or just a curious creative, rigging is your backstage pass to total character control. Craft robots with gears or cats with sass. Rigs make the motion fluid, natural, and cinematic. Add detailed textures, smart controls, and camera-ready movement, and boom, your character is ready for its big screen debut. So what are you waiting for? Ready to rig your imagination? Click the link in the description and dive into the skeletal secrets of 3D animation today.